Good morning, fellow back members.
Morning.
This morning, November 2024 at 10 a.m. We're going to conduct the pre-bid conference for Compact Identical PBF is 032 and PBF is 034. I thank you all for coming. We are complete. Ano si Toast? Ano ba doon?
Kalita.
Hindi siya kalit. Nagpakulan siya.
Yung sabi ko. Kalimda.
Nagpakulan sa dalawa.
Baka kayo ba po si Sir Ken?
Ano ba ito dito?
Hindi ko lang siguro.
Magat?
Magad. Ay, hindi ba na si Tutski?
May iyo po.
Gad siya. Okay, naka-off ko lang sa Toast.
Ito kilala na kita, Tutski.
Anyway, ano ko ba sa PWBCS?
SWBCS.
Okay. Occupy his chair. Please take the minutes of the previous appointment. Please allow the minutes.
Reading all the previous minutes of the preview conference, held as November 14, 2024 at 10 a.m. at the preview conference room. Agenda is 25 FP004, 25 FP005, and 25 FP006. Session highlights and discussion. Back chairperson called the preview conference to order and acknowledge the presence of the back members, including the and secretariat. The preview conference proceeded for contract number 25 FP004, CSSP construction improvement of access roads leading to seaports, kalsada tungo sa Paliparan, Riles at Gawang Programa. Katuparan, San Isidro, Bahaw Road, leading to Bahaw Port, Limanan, Camarines Sur, Package C. With a briefing on basic contract data, discussion on the request for extension to comply sa contract duration cannot be met, review of requirements of bidding documents, review of documents to be submitted by the bidder, bid form, technical and financial proposal, an explanation of criteria for eligibility, screening, preliminary examination of bids, evaluation of bids, and cost qualification. For agenda number 2, the preview conference proceeded for contract ID number 25 FP005 for CSSP construction improvement of access road leading to seaports, kalsada tungo sa Paliparan, Riles, at Gawang Program, Katuparan. Sa San Isidro, Bahaw Road, leading to Bahaw Road, Limanan, Camarines Sur, Package B. With the briefing on basic contract data, discussion and request for extension, if compliance of contract duration cannot be met, review of requirements of the documents, review of documents to be submitted by the bidder or bid form, technical and financial proposal, and explanation of criteria for eligibility screening, preliminary examination of bids, evaluation of bids, and cost qualification. Last agenda is the preview conference proceeded for contract number 25 FP006, CSSP construction or improvement of access roads leading to seaports, kalsada tungo sa Paliparan, Riles at Gawang Program or Katuparan, at San Isidro sa Bahaw Road leading to Bahaw Port, Limanan, Camarines Sur, Package A. With the briefing on basic contract data, discussion on the requirements for extension of compliance to contract duration cannot be met, review of requirements of bidding documents, review of documents to be submitted by the bidder for bid form, technical and financial proposal, and explanation of criteria for eligibility screening, preliminary examination of bids, evaluation of bids, and cost qualification. Agenda number 4, no representative from interested or participating bidder attended the preview conference, and there being no other matters to discuss, the preview conference was adjourned at 10:58 a.m. for the approval of the body.
Mr. Reviews, preview conference.
Second question.
Has been moved and seconded the videos of the previous plus November 14, 2014, approved. Now we go to sleep. To the TV conference. Which is a building structural analysis in the sense of PPE and civil design. This is RBD because this was already scheduled for the last October. Ay, sana nyo na kami, kasi bago kong pipost ka, pero isa na yung naglagid eh. Pilipinig pa ganit. Ang pilagid din yung invitation to it, isa na yung naglagid eh.
Sita.
Pero yung tulad din eh.
Secretary.
Sa ID na, pilipinig. Same contract ID eh.
Hindi po dapat. Same ID mo. Sila may over na.
Dapat mali, lang yung PBF. Saka sabi ko baga, pagbasa ko, ay, hindi ka pa rin. Saan loob niya? Si
Si dati po. Schedule.
Kaya sa gusto na kasalanan, siya yung naglalagay din.
Padala na lang si Ba.
Paano ko magsibago ngayon?
Si Carl pa lang namin, si previous schedule kami din kami was na mga implementation na 4Gs and that's what kaya yung schedule for reading on
December 2 na yan, ma'am. Mag-repeat.
kaya yung schedule.
Yeah po, nakailing ako sa PDFs ngayon.
Oh, sige rin tayo naglalagay din.
Haling sa procurement.
Sige, wala kami na lahat sa
Sige naglalagay din.
Sa procurement, ma'am, sila May po ata.
Ano sila? Isa sila tao naglalagay.
Si May po, sa kasi RJ ang nag-video, ma'am.
Ako doon si isa rin tao. Ako naglalagay ko sila. Napapaisa ko mo yan.
Pumadun na naman. Pupudan mo na lang.
May ito na ba ang mali? Kaya na sabi na ito. Kaya na naglalagay na ito mo naman. Kaya mali. Silisyo sa naman kaya pwede lang mayroon.
No?
Pagka nagpagdating din na ngayon ng baby ko, kasi din eh, gusto mo mag-question naman lalo pa lang. Kasi ano ba ninyo, si despair, kasi ano ko. Next project na PDL is usually po, which is a global relations of the system. Hindi man advertise ka na ilan. Pero under 23D, it is usually kaya lang, ito ba nagpipingan ka ninyo na ipapa-cancel ka, ipinag-ipinag ka ito ba ninyo na i-post ka nakakulang ng specification. Kaya sa kata, dahil man dito pwede mag-ibuli din, kaya lahat na doon sila. Dahil nakakulang sa pwede nila pa ang nakapulang ang deposits. Sabi ko, ito na pag-ulay na ako cancel na lang po. Kaya may iba ng mga kain. Previously, this was under 23D of 0023. Nasa si T3 na dahil nga sila Costa, kulang may expense. So, at level sa pwede nilibig, pag-ibigin mo ka, may gusto sa naman nila, kung mga nilibig. Hindi na sa mga kaya, different lang sa akin, dahil sa isa mo. Pero doon na rin, ito pang nilibig na pag hindi pa yung tahanin, nakuha mo ba ang mali yan sa libro? Hindi, maka-advertise ka ulit under different na tayo. PDEF is usually good. And na-check ko naman sa reports na okay na ang specs na complete. Kaya, hindi na siya ito. Kasi nila sabi ko yung IDE. Kaya naman, sige na, tulungan na ako silang labi. Hindi na ko kaya. Ilan pa schedule? Bibigin dapat.
Sino lang yung
Nasunod ng tabi, iuwi ko. Hindi ka lang bibigin.
schedule?
I-draw nito sa kasi tago. Ilala ko lang. Ito pinakain. Specification. Ito pa ito lang ito lang. Ito ko lang mamusos mo para hindi ko ano naman
I-upload.
the-download.
One unit, two units of global navigation satellite system. Composed of receiver, isang base, tsaka isang rover. Field controller, external radio, and post-processing software with license and certification attached. Data processing, laptop, saka may training, documentation, and product. Saka isang unit ng ground penetrating radar equipment, which is equivalent to geotechnical exploration equipment.
Ano pwede na? Ano actual depth?
10 meters on.
Ano pwede sa kanila? Sa YouTube? Mga meters. Ano pwede sa may tubig?
Pero sa ano sa tubig, ang requirement sa so, paano siya pang rules and regulations? Ground pa. Hindi mo up-to 3 stories. Sa roads, slow protection sa road. But the road kaya okay na consider as the upper bound. Kaya mag-SPP kaya. Ito, ang pinag-point ko kaya. GP ka. Kasi mga main equipment antenna 40 to 3,440 megahertz modulating range frequency control unit for digital video ladder. Accessories, antenna, cable, chargeable battery, post processing software, license and certification. Simultaneous training, documentation, and product administration.
May training na siya. Pero hindi na kayo sa pero ano ba sa training na
Then,
requirement na po yung high school.
termino sa
opera sa Pilipinas. Opera.
Ano po, ano yung question?
Ang question?